Good morning and welcome to your latest hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and eastern upper Michigan. Today is Friday, June 21st, 2013. Well, summer officially began earlier this morning, and summer-like weather looks to take over for a while over northern Michigan, with heat and humidity basically continuing through this weekend and much of next week. Some areas will, after yesterday, seeing some of their first readings into the 80s, may even see some readings pushing 90 degrees by the time we reach Sunday. This increase in heat and humidity will bring several chances for showers and thunderstorms starting today and really continuing into the first half of next week. In terms of the potential for severe weather, that looks to really be isolated in nature. Doesn't really look to be too big of a concern today. Maybe an isolated storm tomorrow, Saturday, and maybe a few more on Sunday. So certainly something to watch out for. Keep an eye to the sky, but no widespread severe weather expected through the weekend. Current weather map shows a stationary front sitting over Minnesota and Wisconsin, and north of that front, there's been some areas of showers and thunderstorm activity, and those are going to push towards northern Michigan today. May weaken some as they come, but by afternoon they might start to try to reinvigorate a little bit, bring some shower and thunderstorm activity, and certainly some cloudiness to much of northern Michigan, especially the further north you go. The weather map comes Saturday morning, shows that low pressure system kind of in a similar area here over the northern plains, with that front now pushing north of our area. That shower and thunderstorm activity for this afternoon and this evening will likely push east. We'll likely have a dry morning, most likely looks like for Saturday, with again pop-up shower and thunderstorm activity in the afternoon, and maybe becoming a little more widespread, especially northern areas Saturday night. By Sunday morning, the weather map looks kind of like a carbon copy of what we'd already seen with that stationary front north of us. Again, shower and thunderstorm activity looks likely, or looks possible again, especially during the afternoon hours. Probably going to make it through the morning dry once again. So you may wonder, now that we get into the heat and humidity, some of you may not be a big fan of that and wonder when it's going to come to an end. The next potent cold front here we see on Thursday's forecast weather map is expected to come through the region, and that could bring again a period of showers and thunderstorms with cooler conditions expected to end next week. Of course, this is a little ways out there, so it's subject to change, but temperatures by the end of next week may return closer to where they should be for this time of year, if not a little bit below. The rainfall forecast shows that the best chances for heavier rainfall will be further north and west you go. Chances certainly for an inch or greater of rain over eastern upper Michigan, tapering off as you head south into northern lower. Again, localized areas anywhere could see heavier rain than this if they happen to be under a thunderstorm at the right time. So we've got warm and humid conditions, thunderstorm chances increasing this afternoon, highs in the 70s to lower 80s. And really, this is going to kind of tell the story through the weekend and much of early next week. Temperatures will warm as we head into Saturday and Sunday, but again, those showers and thunderstorm activity will be a problem each day, especially in the afternoons this weekend. Again, widespread severe weather not expected through this weekend, but an isolated severe storm is certainly possible. This concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks for listening in. The next scheduled update is expected around 5 p.m. this afternoon.